Good afternoon, everyone. I am Wendy Lady Gloriana, and I will be your reporter today. Our topic is all about physical development of the intermediate schoolers. And our objective is at the end of the lesson, students should be able to identify different physical characteristics of intermediate schoolers. B. Discuss ways and practice which will aid children in successfully developing physically. C. Design exercise program appropriate for intermediate schoolers. Late childhood is generally defined as ages 9 to 12 years old, but others may call this age as preteens. Physical changes during this age is fairly predictable among children in this group age. The steady and gradual changes happening in children at this age, especially with their increasing familiarity with schoolwork and other possible activities, provided them with a greater opportunity to develop their motor skill. Functioning children in their late childhood stage always seem to be in a hurry. They get so busy with their schoolwork, interacting with friends, exploring other possible activities, but this period of physical development seems to take a leisurely place. And also, at this age, and also at this age, children gain an average of 7 laps in weight and an average of 2 inches in height and an average of an inch in head circumference each year. The intermediate schoolers have more control over their bodies than they have when they were in primary school. Typically, students in grade 6 to 8 are in a unique development stage. They're transitioning from elementary to high school, which means they're navigating both academic and personal changes at this age. They start to gain more independence, develop critical thinking skills, and become more socially aware. When it's come to early puberty, on the average, girls are generally as much as 2 years ahead of boys in terms of physical maturity, although these developments may be determined by how close a child is to puberty. When a child's body begins to go through the physical changes of puberty earlier than usual, typically puberty starts between ages 8 to 13 in girls and 9 to 14 to boys. When puberty starts before age 8 in girls and age 9 in boys, it is considered early. Dito na nag-uumpisang may magbago sa bodies nila, like when it comes to breasts. Sa girl, small loop from behind the nipple may occur, which sometimes could be painful, but eventually the pain goes away. It is normal for one breast to develop more slowly than the other. Sa boys naman, may also have swell swelling on their chin, but tends to go away within a year or two. That's all, thank you. The other parts of the report will be on Miss Sagum.